Hold it right there. Before you pawn, before you give away, toss your old PC somewhere or to anyone. One wrong move and you could be giving your personal files, your data, your banking details, all sort of credentials to a total stranger. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Haters. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can wipe your old computer clean like a pro and safeguard your personal details and data before you give it away to anyone. Many of us who are not computer savvy, we simply delete data from the computer and give it away to anyone. But there are tools on the market, they can also recover your old data that has been manually deleted. So the intent of this video is pretty clear. We are going to wipe the hard drive clean so that nobody can even retrieve a single byte of data we had on it. In this video, we are factory resetting this computer. Especially in this video, I am demonstrating these steps on Windows 10. However, you can follow it on your Windows 11 computer too. Before we follow further instructions in this video, here's a little disclaimer. Once you follow these steps, the data on your computer is gone forever, like there is no turning back from it. So before you initiate the process with me, go ahead and back it up. Before we move ahead in this video, I want you to go ahead and ensure there is no physical component connected to your laptop or desktop computer, such as a physical printer connected through USB cable or an external hard drive, thumb drive, maybe some kind of speaker system. If there's anything, or multiple monitors, if there's anything connected to your device, go ahead and disconnect them right now. In the very next step, click on the Windows icon at the bottom, or you can call it a startup button. Look for settings icon, click on it, or you can also press Windows and I together to get to Windows settings window directly. On Windows 10, especially look for update and security. In the next window on left, look for option recovery. Here in this window on the right panel, look for reset this PC option and click on get started. In the very next window, you have two options: keep my files, remove everything. Choose remove everything. Now this is going to take a moment. Further, you have two options to choose: cloud download or local reinstall. Cloud download is going to take extensive amount of time to download the Windows operating system, the latest version of it. You don't want to get into that process because you're already giving away the computer. So simply go ahead and choose local reinstall. In the next window, we already know we are cleaning up everything from this computer. We don't want any footprints of anything we had or we were doing on this computer. So simply go ahead and click on next. This is the final window where you have to give your final consent to reset your computer. And resetting will remove all personal files, user accounts, all changes you made to the computer, all programs and apps that you installed, and the Windows operating system from this device. So this is going to make this computer just like a brand new device, like you unboxed it. If you're ready, go ahead and click on reset. Now this is going to be a slightly time-taking process. Go ahead and grab yourself a drink, sit back and relax, do your errands, and forget the computer for at least about 30 to 40 minutes, maybe 1 hour. During this process, the computer is going to restart a couple of times or maybe more, so don't panic about it. Once it's finished, you'll have a beautiful wallpaper or a screensaver. You'll be able to click on it and further start setting up the device. While you're not keeping it, you don't have to go through the process. Simply press the power button, shut it down, and do what you want to do with it now. So this is the best way you can go ahead and reset your old PC before you giving it away to anyone. Smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe Crazy Haters for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.